So the Lamzu Maya, is it built well? What are the switches? What are the MCU? What's the PCB like? How well is it constructed? What's the QC like? I'm going to find that out all in this video. So today I'm going to take this thing apart, tear it down, check out every component, weigh them all, see how it's built, give my final thoughts and impressions on whether you should pick this up and what the quality is like. We're going to check it out very, very thoroughly. If you're not sure I am, I'm Bearded Bob, game 35 years, well into keyboards, mice, modifications, gaming for Tarkov, Valorant. If you like that kind of stuff, this is definitely a channel for you. If you want to check out this stuff live, I do stream it as well on YouTube and Twitch. So catch me there, ask me any questions right there and then next time. So let's get into it. All right, let's take apart this Lamzu Maya then. Let's see what we got, baby. It'll be pretty nice. PCB already looks tasty with the red PCB. See? Attention to detail here. Red PCB. They're listening, they're making sure it's good. If that was the final mouse, they'd probably have the cable still for the battery. Although, sneakily, you can actually see the battery if you really wanted to take a look. But overall, decent. I trimmed out some of the weight of the base. 45 grams stock. It's pretty good. Maybe 40, 45, 46 on it, something like that. 0.35, that's quite a thin skate. Here's that skate. So we've revealed the first two screws, so hopefully there's none at the top. You never know. Screw at the front. What? Why? Why, Lamzu? Why? Don't know why I said chimp, because no H. Interesting. Thicker at the front. Right. Ooh, trimmed out the sensor section. Liking it. I thought about this weight reduction Lamzu here. There for show. I wonder the rear skate slightly thinner. Interesting. The only thing I can say that I don't like so far is I've got the screws at the front, which means you've got to take all skates off. It's not a deal breaker, but a little bit annoying if people want to take it apart. Pretty standard screw. Nothing special. The old PH05 should work fine. Are we ready? Oof. This is, I mean, fairness, I don't even know how they've screwed it. Holy moly, this thing's clipped together. Damn. Oof, that noise. These clips. You can't see them, you can see the clip mounting points though. There's that rear one. So like a little lip on it. And these two. That thing was beastie, I knew they were full size, can tell. Oof, thank you, Lamzu. Still got some taste at least. 45 grams using full size switches. I mean, that's a bonus in itself. Beautiful. Beautiful. What it looks like inside, pretty nice. A lot of screws in this as well for its weight. What is good about this Lamzu is it doesn't feel delicate, apart from those clips, which are a little bit worrying. Other than that, it doesn't feel delicate. You can see how it's built well. And you can see why it's also very strong, still at 45 grams, by the way they've designed the clips. Okay, so we've got some Hawanu black shell white dots. It would have been nice to have had the transparent ones in it. I don't know why people still don't do that. And even the scrollwheel, but at least have kept the same brand. Look how trimmed out that puppy is. If you're looking to change them out though, you can see these are the black posts to go from the bottom of the switch through, so you're gonna have to glue them. And weirdly, they've trimmed out some pins, but not all pins. Maybe for the position of it, I don't know. Okay, so this is in the way, the button for these pins, which is why they trimmed them and left those pins. You should have trimmed them all off, really. But hey ho. One small ribbon cable. Not bad for two switches and a PCB. I don't know what it is about the red plastic. It almost makes it feel like cheap to me. I don't know. That's kind of the feeling I get. It's the only thing I don't like the colour as well. But there's plenty of different versions, so I don't like this one. Kind of regrets with the red one and the grey one. Yeah, I think the grey is a better colour. It's not the end of the world, but yeah, I would prefer a better colour, I think. Now, these do feel thin when I press them as well. They've trimmed them out, which I think they're a little bit too thin. but I know they're trying to save weight. That's one of my comments with some mice companies at the minute. They are trimming out the main buttons, and that makes them very easy. That when you apply pressure, you get that kind of flex in it. Now, you think it wouldn't do, but you can feel it sometimes. And this one, you can potentially feel that, I think. I can. 2.3 grams is decent, but as I've said, just you're almost sacrificing the quality of the press. Now, side buttons felt well, but they feel very cheap inside there. Trying to take them out. They only hung on by 2 little bits. Interesting. Like the pre-travel bit, but these feel nice to press. So, good design. Give them that. Damn, they're light as well. Very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna go with 11 grams, I reckon. But even now, it's pretty good. Like a little bit of flex as you expect, but pretty decent. It's nice. They've decided to trim out some of the bits as well. Did a good job. I like it. Trimmed out the front. Like many people started doing that. It's different. They've trimmed out all that internal bit as well. And still kept it full size. I mean, this is 45, 46 grams, and it's still full body, not even drilled. Oh, it's close. I said 11 grams, but 12. Now we got this little beast. So my battery's slightly offset, but you wouldn't notice it because it's inside. Some of the best switches at the moment, these translucent ones, I agree with Pure's taste. Need to do some testing them, but they are nice. Rocking a TTC encoder again. I don't particularly like this white encoder. I don't like the way it's open either. And they've not used the same switch for the scroll press. They're using the white Hirano, which maybe is to help with the press, but a bit uniform, baby. Certainly in the sides, we need these ones, I would say, instead of the Hirano blacks. Like the scroll wheel though, one, it's got a nice big drum, which I think stops it moving as much. Like this is a super light 2. You see the difference? Like it fits inside it. Do you know what I mean? Dual scroll wheel, but this stops it having as much down press when you push it, so it doesn't tilt as much. It's a bit firmer. And then they've trimmed out the inside part of the scroll wheel. Nice. They've done a good job weight reducing this. Change your ring. It's a chunky one. I can't remember what mouse has got that size tumbler. There's not many. It's quite rare. 0.74 is light. Nice. Overall weight of it. 1.6. It's pretty light. Kept that down nicely. It has this little pad as well, but it's properly stuck down. They're also using the smaller JST connector. I think it's a 1mm. Not the usual. Is it the normal? What most people are using this JST. Probably turn a bit of weight, but normal one, and this is what they've got. So you have to change that or find a smaller JST connection battery. This is well and truly stuck. Good job putting this down. Holy moly. Can't say this thing's going to come to pieces. They've done a very good job at the build quality on this. It's absolutely rock solid. Even the battery's hard to get off. So we're rocking a 250 milliamp 3.7. Quite a heavy battery, 5.5. It's not the lightest, 250 milliamp. These are the same ones. This pattern, I like the way they've done a little pattern on the PCB. Look at that PCB, that is so weird. Can't say anyone's done one like that before. I like the gold bit on the bottom for when you see it. It's pretty cool. Gold and red's a nice combo. I'm guessing this is the antenna. That's what we've got to be careful of, because I was thinking, oh, you know, we'll just whip off the back of it. But I think that gold makes it, that means it's the antenna. We'd have to check. So I wouldn't just chop the rear off it if you're thinking that, by the way. 12 grams is pretty heavy for a PCB. So we're using a TTC encoder, which I said I'm not particularly a fan of. Silver, bit of a shame. Looks like an 11mm encoder if you want to change it. 0.8 grams. 8 grams, 0.8mm PCB. That is one long PCB. It's a beast. Like, there's no way you're going to buy this mouse to use for modding. What was the point? Not this PCB. Not that that's the purpose of it, by the way, but still. We've also got the translucent pink Hiranos, which I do like. Great switch. And then you've got the white black shell Hirano for the main scroll, which we said not particularly a fan of. And look at this. This is a piece of art. This base. 7 grams I'm going. 5 grams, see? That's good weight. Not many bases like that around. That is a light base. Very nice. This is nicely done. Even that's a 46 gram mouse, right? That's quite a lot of components, like the way they built it. They haven't skimped out here, Lamzu, on the components. Maybe on the side switches using the Haroni Black Shell, but and the encoder's a bit naff, but the build quality's good. Could make them a little bit thicker, the buttons for pressing, because I think they do flex. Other than that, it's pretty good. Skates are okay. It's decent. I like this mouse. A lot of screws for the size. 46G's good weight for something this big, and for this amount of like non-holes. So definitely worth checking out this mouse. 100%.